Hi class, I just wanted to go over the Padlet assignment that is due for this week in case anyone had any questions about it. I know it's probably new to most of you. It's just another way for online instructors or any instructors to facilitate a discussion for their students. Just like we learned to use Flipgrid, it's an alternative to the traditional discussion board forum that we use. So Padlet is the same, another alternative to the traditional discussion board. So if you go to Technology Module now, which is located in Week 5's assignments, first you have to complete your Campus Life assignment. And if you scroll down, you will see this assignment is called Get to Know Your Classmates. So you're going to post in here and tell 2 truths about yourself, so 2 statements that are true, and then 1 statement that is false. And then you're going to want to respond to other group members to try and guess what their false statement is. What you shouldn't forget to do is come back to Padlet before the due date, so that way you can just say which statement was false, so whichever students had guessed, they'll be able to know if they were correct or not. So, oops, let me scroll back down here for a second. So the instructions are right here. If you just click on it, it expands that for you to see it better. You're going to click on the little pink circle that has a plus sign, and then you're just going to type your title and the 2 statements that are true and the 1 statement that is false. So if you look down, here is the pink circle with the plus sign. So I'm just going to write my name as the title, and then I can go ahead and write 2 statements that are true and 1 that is false. For example, I could say, I have 3 dogs and a cat. I live in Clayton. I have 3 children. So now, after I'm done, it's posted just like that. And then anyone else can come and click right here to add a comment. And then you can say, I think that you living in Clayton is the lie. So your comments are just guessing which one is the lie about the student. And that's all you have to do for that assignment. So don't really overthink it. It's just to let you get familiar with another platform that you might see in the future. And if you have any questions on this, please feel free to contact your instructor and they'll be able to assist you. Thanks.